Woman clings to life and her rescuer after surviving a building collapsing around her. Moments later, a child is pulled from beneath the rubble too. Friends, family and neighbours must carry each other to safety. Homes and shops have been reduced to bricks and dust in the wake of the 7.2 magnitude earthquake. It's a reminder that man's efforts are no match for nature's power. The extent of the damage is still not known, and the head of Haiti's Civil Protection Agency told a press conference he couldn't say a specific number of people killed. Tonight, it's suggested that more than 200 have died. The epicenter of the earthquake is nearly 80 miles west of the capital, Port-au-Prince. But the whole country has been placed into a state of emergency. Today,